Hi, my name is Brian Smith. I'm a celebrity portrait photographer based in Miami Beach and Los Angeles, and I'm going to give you 5 tips on great location portrait photography. Tip number 1, just like real estate, it's all about location, location, location. The background on a location photo is as important as the subject. In fact, a lot of times, if I'm doing street photography, I'll find a great backdrop and then just wait and wait and wait till the right subject comes into place. You want to pay as much attention to the background as you do your subject. My second tip is form a connection. That's true of all photography, but if you're off doing location portraits and you're photographing people on the street, start off with a compliment in terms of let them know why you want to photograph them. If they've got a great face or beautiful hair or what they're wearing would look perfect against a certain background, let them know that. Tip number 3 is focus on your subject. So now that you've got the great location, you've made a connection with them, pay attention to what they're doing and try to bring out a trait that shows them at their best, whether it's the way that they look, an expression, but concentrate 100% on your subject. Tip number 4, pay attention to the light. Sometimes the light alone will make a great portrait on its own. So whether you're using artificial light that you're creating or natural light, pay attention to that light because that's going to make the image sing. And finally, tip number 5 is use the latest technology to make your life easier so you can concentrate on 1 through 4. For instance, Sony's Eye Autofocus lets me forget about moving a focus point and just let the camera focus on the eye so I can put all my attention into tips 1 through 4.